Plus.
Taste the clean, refreshing, purified water in town. AG5. AG5 Water Refilling Station. Located Branch 1 at Purok 9. Branch 2, Purok 9, Das A, Barangay Ising, Carmen, Davao del Norte. Owned by A. Tyrone Bulaer Bagasilao Igo. With this number, 0915-1831-942. AG5. AG5 Water Refilling Station. Ang sagot sa inyong mga uhaw.
Nang, ba kay kailan nagalabada?
Na, sakto gidong. Naay opening ron nga laundry shop. Dari sa Spinfinity Cleaners Laundry Shop.
Hala, mo ba nang? Salamat ha, agtuon na ako.
Ug bahin sa regular services, sa wash, dry and fold, 140 pesos lang. Sa wash, 55 pesos. Sa pag-dry, 65 pesos. Ug minimum 5 kilos na na.
Gusto ba mo walay hasol? Ug makarelax pa ka? Ayaw na pagdugay-dugay. Dili na ta sa Spinfinity Cleaners Laundry Shop.
Kay diri, masaligan, sulit kaayo, ug dili kamahayan. Open daily, Monday to Sunday from 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. Nahimutang sa Purok 3, Barangay Quezon, Panabo City. Kini gipinagiyahan ni Ma'am Jeanette ug makontak sa cellphone number nga 0992-233-026. Adto na ta, diri sa Spinfinity Cleaners Laundry Shop.
Hi sis, gusto mo bang lumabas ang mas natural mong ganda? Yung hanap mo ba ay makinis at malakutis porselanang mukha? Sis, Alena Set.
O ngayon, alam mo na, Servicare Capsule available sa mga drugstores.
Bida ka sa Panabo City's first FM station, Infinite Radio DXOD 96.1 MHz, your info music station.
Doesn't matter what you like, you'll always find something to listen to.
Mixed just for you.
This is the only station.
And it's on the air.
They always have great contrast.
Always got music going.
Always on. Always on.
It's always there, so I listen to it all the time.
Because it plays a good variety of music. Whatever they play, I listen to.
It fits my lifestyle.
Turn it on at 5 a.m., listen all the way to work, usually.
Every morning.
Absolutely, every morning.
It's fun and upbeat, and you can relate to it.
Are you serious?
Infinite Radio.
Infinite Radio.